How to fix public profile not showing on Snapchat. Let's get started. First things first, Snapchat does not let everyone create a public profile by default. You need to meet a few basic requirements. You must be at least 18 years old. Your account should be at least 24 hours old. You must have at least one bi-directional friend, meaning both of you have added each other. No serious policy violations on your account. And finally, you need to be in a region where public profiles are supported. If you meet all that and still don't see the option, here's what you need to do. Update your Snapchat. So launch App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app Snapchat. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. This might fix your issue. Next thing you want to do is enable profile visibility. For that, you'll need to launch your Snapchat. Now click on the avatar icon given at the top left. Click on the settings icon given at the top right. Once you're on this page, scroll down. Head over to the section Contact Me. Click on it. Set it to Friends and Contacts. Click on the option View My Story. Set it to Friends. Likewise, click on the option See Me in Find Friends. Enable for that option. Head back. Now head back. Go to your profile page. Scrolling down, you might find the option of Create Profile, and clicking on that, you'll be able to create your public profile. If still public profile option is not available, click on the settings icon, scroll all the way down, click on the option Help Center. Now from here, you can report to the Snapchat support team. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.